Hey everyone, do you only have experience using Java for testing, or have you used it in other areas like development? Yeah, I've used Java for testing, but I've also explored other libraries and tried to develop things as well. So I just like to learn a lot. Yeah, mainly I've used it for testing, but I found myself kind of looking around at I played around with like Discord bots. There was a library, JDA, I believe it's called, for Discord bots. So I played around with that a little bit. I also, a little bit earlier on, I was interested in kind of Android apps. So I did a little bit of learning about that. I didn't get too deep into it, but uh, basically I learned a little bit of Kotlin, which was a language based on Java. So I explored that one a little bit more. So I definitely enjoy testing, but I've also found the development kind of domain as well to be interesting. And I definitely see myself willing to learn more and continue to just explore other areas. An alternative to this question you could have answered is that you only used it for testing, and that's okay, right? So this is not just this kind of question is open ended. So you can answer the question like this: have you used Java for anything besides testing? Well, no, actually, I haven't used programming. I haven't done much else with programming except for Java in testing. I've just had more of a passion for testing. I just really like finding bugs, making sure that the application is working how it's supposed to. I've always liked focusing like ever since I was little. I liked reading like the instruction manuals for things. Right, I like to see how it's supposed to work and how it should work, and then use the product afterwards. So looking at the requirements and then seeing is it working properly. That's kind of where I've always had my passion for is the testing side of it. And so I haven't really explored in other kinds of programming or using Java for anything else. That's just where I've kind of always went towards was testing. But I'm definitely interested to learn more, especially if the team is using Java in any other ways. Like I'm definitely interested. And to the point, just to add some additional information, I just gave you some examples here just to give you an idea you can think of, right? Don't just randomly say something that you don't know anything about, right? If you say something like working in Excel or the Spring framework, don't just say it just because it's kind of a keyword or something that will sound nice, because when you say something, you're opening yourself up to more questions about it. So if you say something about a framework that you're not sure about, you're going to face trouble. So this is about building up your own question, right? This is about understanding what you enjoy and how you'd want to answer it, right? I put Minecraft in there because I'm sure a lot of you are also parents, and so your kids might play this game, and this game is based in Java, and so you might have explored, right, through your kids. You might have been interested into learning a little bit of how it's implemented in this game that's very popular. So you have to make these unique to yourself. You have to just make this answer for yourself, and there's no right or wrong, right? It's about you connecting and explaining in this area. Please hit the like button if you enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe so that you don't miss any of our new content, and leave us a comment. Let us know what you're interested in seeing next.